This is Ball State University Public Information Office with a story on the first recipient of the Walter Byers Postgraduate Scholarship, coming to you in 3, 2, 1.
National Collegiate Athletic Association officials today announced the first ever winner of the Walter Byers Postgraduate Scholarship during a news conference at Ball State University. Rick Hall, a senior majoring in accounting and political science at Ball State, will receive the award of at least $7,500, which he will apply to his graduate study in corporate law.
It's hard for me to explain how much this award means to me. I mean, with it comes a scholarship, but it's not only that, it's the honor and what this award stands for. The commitment to athletics and academics and community service are the three things that's probably guided my life the most the past 4 years.
Ball State University President John E. Worthen called the award an honor for Ball State and Indiana.
For some time now, we've been saying that Ball State's goal is to be the premier teaching university of the Midwest. And I think we can say for certain that for one very special member of our student body, we've accomplished that goal. The announcement by the NCAA this morning is a great honor not only for that young man and his family, but also for Ball State University, for the Mid-America Conference, and the entire state of Indiana who share their pride.
The scholarship will be awarded each year to one male and one female student athlete in recognition of outstanding academic achievement and potential for success in postgraduate study.